I see him. Not quite where I was going. Oh. Oh. How in the heck is everybody doing? We got another exciting episode of Hunters for Life TV coming at you. We're trying to do one video a day. If we're within Wi-Fi range, we'll be out of town starting Saturday to Saturday, fishing like a madman. Then back in town for a week and then out of town for another week, fishing like a madman. So we are going to keep as up to date on our one video a day schedule as possible. But without any further ado, here is the video. Ooh, I was in the low nibble maybe. Oh my god, I have to go 5 to go off. Are you kidding me? Oh, I hate this trolling motor. I shouldn't have let my mom talk me into buying the computer. I was going to buy a trolling motor first. I gotta wait. I want like a 70-pound, 24-volt trolling motor. Even if this was still a 55 but a 24-volt, I'd be in good business. Yeah. Now we're moving now though. Oh, that was a hit. Hoping there's still some fish around here that we haven't sore mouthed yet. This is basically where we caught the majority of our fish. There's a lot of snags, probably, but there's a lot of snags out there too. There's about twice as many stumps underwater as there are sticking out of the water. Oh, that was questionably a hit. It's nice when I jig this and the wind blows like 5 feet of slack line in my braid. There's a couple other spots that I didn't really try yesterday. Oh! Good hit. I don't know, or a stump, hard to say. They both kind of feel the same with the slack in your line. I was waiting for that to happen. Are you on that? Did you get that far one? Yeah. The one sticking out of the water?
No, it's like in between. It's underwater.
I gotcha. We'll go get her. There's a lot of people that snag here and just break off though, so we're gonna get it back. Oh, yeah. That was about to happen.
Oh, fish.
Northern? Smalley.
Smalley.
He's not worthy of a net, but that's a nice fish. First fish of the day. Let's get us off this log real quick.
Dude, this was on a number 4.
Dude, these freaking smallies in here are aggressive. I think I'm definitely stuck. Maybe not. Alright, so there's one fish left in here still. Am I stuck? Are we moving?
No.
Where are we stuck? Under the center pedal. Or maybe on the motor's swinging. Stupid stumps. Oh yeah, we're stuck back here. Oh, there it is.
Aha.
We're gonna leave this out. Back, and we'll probably need it once or twice more today. Where are you stuck at?
Like right that way.
I'm gonna go around this one though.
Okay.
Yeah, last time I was here, other than before yesterday, the water was like 2 feet higher. So even more of these stumps were covered, and it made it really interesting. All right, Mother Nature.
Got it.
Got it? All right.
Yep.
Oh, no way. Oh! What is that, Smalley?
That's a Smalley, dude.
Oh, that's a nice one there. That's a big. I wasn't even moving when I ran into that one. What the? I swear it was moving. No, definitely not moving. Not the stumps that get you, it's the roots that come 20 feet off of them. Yeah. I think I can maybe skin hook this a little bit and get it to stay in there. Kind of makes it look stupid, but it'll still work. Yeah, this is my new favorite rig. It's called Punch Rig. It's just a bullet sinker, but it's got that little bead on there to hold it. Yeah. And for whatever reason, like I could throw this exact same rig without that bead, so the weight free slides, and I wouldn't catch a single fish.
Huh.
At least that's how I was on a lake downstate, and I couldn't catch anything. And Gunther's like, Texas rig a Senko. I was like, okay, so I already had like this rig tied up, and I just threw a Senko on there and caught like I caught a nice largemouth and a pike before that on crankbait.
Oh, wow.
That was like 5 hours of fishing though, and then I switched over to that rig, and I probably caught another like dozen, like 13 to 15 inch largemouth, and I caught an 11-inch perch. No, I should have, but it would be hard to make a 4-person meal out of one fish. Ooh, that dock looks good. Wish the wind would make up its mind on which way it wants to blow us. Like, it looks like it should just blow us straight in there, but
yeah,
it's not really working that way. If you got a couple days off in a row, that guy that invited us out to go Giebik wants me to come back out to do a day of walleye and a day of muskie fishing. How deep is it right here?
4 foot.
A little shallow for a crankbait I want to throw. This bait's kind of sweet, but it didn't catch me anything. Top water crankbait. Like, you would think it would dive down a couple of feet, but no, top water. Oh, I could put a trailer on here too. Ooh, white fluke maybe? I'll find something. There go tricks. This one? Did you miss one?
No,
What would you do that for?
because it hit like a fish.
Ooh. That'll work.
It hit exactly like a fish.
Are you stuck? Oh yeah, you're definitely stuck. Yeah, I'm gonna take the bow fishing setup out to the bubbler and try and shoot herring. Where you at? This one or that one?
Nope, straight up.
That one,
Straight
yeah.
up.
See if I can't get involved up there too. Yeah, they come in all shapes and sizes out here.
I could have dropped down.
I could have hit that one. There was an all-white duck when I was downstate hanging out with mallards.
The only lure that's catching fish and it gets the most snags.
Is it a stump I just bumped or a fish? I'm thinking it's a stump. I'm probably going to run into it. We're all welded, but the shaft of the trolling motor's not. Oh, I see what you're on. Oh, that was a freaking fish. We should just drift right on.
There we go.
Got her?
Yep.
All right, let's see if I can get out of here without hitting it. It looks pretty good with that little trailer on there. Fish don't think so, but I think so.
Dude, fish just jumped. No, that's a stump.
Oh yeah, I see what you're talking about.
Yeah, see how it looks like it's rippling? Use Captain Brian, hop down on the trucker.
I'm weedless. Why is this bait not working? I'm trying to figure out why I can't catch a fish on this bait. Chrome blades, black body. There's pike written all over it. Fish were in here last night at least. I got a couple more spots to try after this. I think if it was a little sunnier, the fish would be a little more active in here. Debating on whether or not I want to try to shoot through there.
I say let's send it.
I've done it before and it was pretty, there's a lot of big boulders in there. So I think we're gonna have to start the big motor and just go out and around.
You're all molded. We'll just have to float over it. Oh, here's one.
That's a nice one. Maybe. Taking her wide. Not too shabby, brother. Gotta navigate through here though. That's the rock I didn't want to hit.
Looks like a stump. I know it is.
That's a big old rock there. Yep, that's a big old rock too. Should be alright. I'm looking at one rock when I run straight into the other one. Got 3 smallmouth in there so far? No pike. That's typically my like secret pike spot right there.
Huh.
Supposedly Gunther tells me that he likes the outside of this island better than the inside. I'll give a little bit of that a shot.
Try it.
There's a really nice drop off kind of out here somewhere. Yeah, one of the bigger ones I caught, I literally casted this thing, took about a quarter revolution, and he freaking smoked it. Unless I'm camping, I pretty much release all my trout.
I only try to keep like one trout.
Walleye don't ever get a free pass though. Going back to an area where we just absolutely punished the fishes yesterday. I haven't caught one yet. Kyle's got me beat 3-0. I'm just letting him get a little bit of a confidence lead, if you will. We'll keep you updated on the fishing report. Oh, that was a... Got him. Oh, what the heck? That was a little something. He didn't even get the hook. He just grabbed the tail or something. Bugger.
Oh, dude, I just saw a massive smallie just...
I just had a little nibble too. I don't think he was massive, but... What the? It's like perch or something trying to eat this. I'll have to get one more cast of this thing. I'm about to start spanking him with the spinnerbait. Trying to at least. Currently punching a maybe 4 or 5 inch white fluke on a beef shank of a hook. It's getting action, but it's not getting hookups. So I think I'm about to go back to the spinnerbait. One of the last baits I've got on this boat that I've yet to catch a fish on. Give her a shot. Got a little purpley shimmery craw trailer dealio on here. Give her the old college try. Right back here it was just like full of fish. Right up follower. Just pulled it away from him. Sick. I think you're in the double digits on the snags.
I am.
Got her.
Yep, got her.
I don't have the slightest idea why I can't catch a fish on this. Oh, that was definitely a hit. Go for the, you know, like a frog jumping into the water.
Yep.
Minnow, same thing. Horse apiece, really. Oh, here we go.
Nice.
That's a nice one, dude. Hit it so freaking hard. Chill, buddy. No, he's probably 17. But I finally caught one. He might actually be 18. Definitely bigger than Kyle's 3, but I'm still down 1 to 3. Slowly catching up though. He hit that thing like right at the side of the boat too. That was awesome. And it didn't even tear up my fluke that bad. Oh, sick. Still haven't gone down the whole skipping with the baitcaster game. Remember how many times that smallmouth looked at my spinner? Like, I don't want to eat that ugly thing. Can't resist a white piece of rubber though. Clearly there's a lot of, you know, solid white fish that live in here.
Oh. I saw him come up right there too. Like, literally as he's pulling out.
Aggressive little buggers. I'm gonna have to get me some maps. God, oh! That fish, that was a nicer one, I think. Next one's getting a hook set to save the world. There's like 3 more fingers over along this side that will go up. And there's one, the next big opening up, there's one big old freaking little river that flows through. We'll probably check out. Or like, that's what I couldn't figure out. Like yesterday we caught like 6 way in the back and fished it out and couldn't catch, didn't really catch much in this area. Like, how does that make any sense? How's it going? Oh, hard to complain. I mean, where it's not 90 degrees, I'll be happy. It was so hot downstate.
Yeah.
Then it would rain, it would still be like 90 degrees. This is like textbook 50-inch northern country.
Yeah.
If I had to choose one spot in this lake for there to be a world record northern, it would have to be right here. Oh, that was a log. I just saw one swim under the boat. Oh my God, come on, eat it. Oh! How's it going? We got 4 smallmouth so far. 17.5 for the biggest. Nothing to brag about, but. Right now I'm throwing a white fluke. He's been killing them on a Mep spinner.
Number 4 Meps.
And then Senko, goby colored Senko worm was pretty good yesterday. Biggest one I pulled out here was only 27. But you know, everybody's got their 40-incher story, except for me. Oh, that's one. Oh, that's the little raft with the. Those are like the little backrests that pop up. Hey.
Yeah.
Where are the rod holders on that? Now, how the heck are you supposed to walk on this dock? They forgot a piece and they put that in. That's the reason a lot of people have floating docks out here is they change the water level so much. Is that a fish up there?
Yep.
That's what I thought.
Echolocated.
Typically find the bait, find the big fish. Typically. Oh my God. I don't think it was very big. It was a little tick, 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 tick. Staple gun. I was like, are we getting shot at? Like a CO2 BB gun.
Yeah.
Red Ryder. Shoot your eye out, kid. Look in there real quick and see how much gas we got. I haven't gone that far, but the last couple times I've gone out, I've had 4 people in the boat, so.
A little above halfway.
Yeah, I love this boat. I was expecting you to say like under a quarter. Oh, I see him. Not quite where I was going. Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that hurt my shoulder.
That?
No. Ah, that hurt my shoulder.
Full pike.
Wasn't even worth the hook set on that one. 2 to 3. I don't know what side I want to try to fish.
I don't know, dude. It's gas both ways.
Yeah, probably not terribly deep in the middle. Could catch a random walleye. I just need to get a big. I'm already recording. Smalley mouth.
Yep.
Boat flipper. That's a baby. The dog wants him.
Oh, that was a hook in the face.
My bad. Thought we're weedless. The weight might hurt a little bit though.
Yeah. That's why I wear sunglasses
Yeah.
100% of the time.
I did catch a nice smallmouth up by these stumps up here.
Oh, come on.
I think I snagged that dock yesterday. My first bass I ever caught on a jerkbait was right up here.
Oh. Oh, God, this, man.
I would have had that fish if I wasn't being a nice guy.
A bit bigger.
Pike?
I don't know.
Staying down.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, he's a bit bigger. Just drop him right on the camera gear. Still a little baby. He's healthy though.
Yeah.
2 pike and what's that? 2 pike and 5 smallies so far.
Yeah.
Not bad. I totally forgot I was using a crankbait and I just threw it right in the shore.
Snag number 30.
I think we're gonna get rained on maybe.
Yeah.
I definitely didn't bring any rain gear. We're headed back to the land of the swamp donkeys. Last time I was back here, the water was like 4 foot higher, so it's rather technical now. But we're all welded. Got Kyle looking for stumps. Hopefully, if we hit one, he won't fall off. I'm literally just using the trolling motor to steer, and the wind's pushing us out of here.
I know. I'm doing that.
Like this is like how fast I'm on 1, and this is like how fast we should be going on like 5. God. Oh, I got. Did you see that? That bait came out of his mouth and he came. That was a nice pike. But for sure I was snagged in something and went dunk, 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 dunk. Pike cannot resist a white fluke. It's like crack cocaine to a pike. I have to engage weed whacker mode.
Oh, got one. Oh, yeah. There we go.
Pike?
Yeah. Oh.
That's one way to release them.
Oh. smashed it at the boat, man.
That ain't bad. We'll get there. Oh. Oh yeah, buddy.
That?
Maybe. Dang, he's a big, this is a bigger fish, I think. Oh yeah, timber trout! At Hunters for Life, it is our mission to make the great outdoors accessible to anyone and everyone regardless of age, limitation, or disability, one partner at a time. Our great partners include Threads and Ink, Huron Mountain Rod Company, made right here in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, Mud Buddy Motors, based out of Utah, our good friend Nick over at Superior Outfitters, also a dealer for Huron Mountain Rods, Brian McCarter with Nemesis Baits, Light Dreamers, custom pike and muskie baits, based out of Chicago, shipped worldwide. And last but not least, our good buddy Adam Carpenter, host of the one and only Outdoor Show. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy adventures.